I wasted 3 years testing Google Ads like an idiot. Most retail brands in 2026 are failing for one reason. They're stuck in pilot purgatory. Break the pilot. This is the Euro 134K blueprint. You have the data and the intent, but your systems are disconnected. Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint that generated €134,863 with a 34.39% conversion rate. In high-tier markets like the USA, UK and Canada, AI bidding is saturated. You can't set and forget. The biggest ROI killer? Disconnected systems. You're treating marketing data separately from supply chain data. Here are the 3 pillars: unified intelligence, agentic commerce across time zones, high-intent architecture for clean, data-backed decisions. Results? A 1.97% cancellation rate and long-term value. Ready to break the pilot phase and move into operational reality? Get the Euro 134K Blueprint Resource Kit. Link in the description.